today we are in Stockholm, Sweden. Right now we're heading to Gamla Stan, which is where Old Town is. And we're just walking around. We only have like 7 hours here. It's been cool getting to be here again just because everything seems more familiar. Now we are not going to the VASA Museum. We are going to do like a little metro tour because their metros are really cool. They have like little art galleries, like I think over 90 of the 100 metro stations are decorated. So we're going to one now that's like blue and white and really cool. We are at subway stop number 2 and the final one. And this one is a little rainbow. How fun. Right now we are out in the streets. We're walking to the VASA Museum, which is home to this ship that sunk like 333 years ago. It's one of the most well-preserved ships ever, and I find this story really funny because literally it like left the harbor and everyone's all like sending it off, cheering, and then it literally sinks in like 5 minutes. So hilarious. We are back at the VASA Museum. This is cool, right? We made it back to the Royal Palace, but it is 1:15.
So we have an hour and 15 minutes to tour the place and get out.
Very risky, as this is the largest castle or palace in Europe. So is this gonna work? Who knows what's gonna happen? We're sat down. We have our lunch. We have approximately 29 minutes. We got this salmon and spinach quiche, and it came with this little tiny sandwich, half an orange, the cinnamon bun. This is ham and cheese sandwich slash panini, another half of an orange, some salad, and a cappuccino. We're now heading back to the cruise. It's actually only 2:40, like 2-ish,
Yeah,
so we have
supposed to be back by
3. Oh yeah.
So we have a lot of time.
So what are we doing? Who knows?
I'm eating
Keep on watching.
because I have not eaten.
I don't know how you're not like.
I'm starving.
Yeah. All right, Mindy and I are now at Ocean's Bar and Grill. We just watched the Tenors of Rock concert show. We just watched the Tenors of Rock show. So good.
Thank you guys, amazing. This on the tour.
They're so talented, it's crazy. I know, the venue was not to their favor, but it was like still pretty good. So we're gonna go to the 9:30 one. It's in the back.
And then after that we can go like talk to them after the show.
We got our food. So I got some fajitas. Mindy got some chicken wings.
Appetizer.
Yes.
Main course. It's huge.
Yay! Dessert has come. Look at this brownie cheesecake. Look at this fruit plate and banana bread. Beautiful, beautiful.
Also, in Stan in the last like our meal.
Yeah.
Japan just paid 2 pounds.
I know. An update. We finished watching the second concert. We got the CD. Yay! And we also like
It was autographed. We
yeah,
got
they
autographed.
signed it. And then we walked down to the atrium because we were like, what do we do? And then Daddy's Home #2 was playing, and we never watched Daddy's Home 1, so we were so confused. But it was so funny. It was so good.
It was a Christmas comedy.
Christmas themed comedy, yeah.
It was, oh my god.
That was so
Will
fun.
Ferrell.
Will Ferrell. That was a good ending to the night.
So funny.
Well, that is all for today's video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow is a day at sea, so Mindy and I are planning to like go rock climbing, go on the water slides, try out another restaurant until we've tried out like all of the free ones. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!